tighten the drill bit into the chuck. Make sure to grab onto the shank. There we go. Once you have tightened the drill into the shank, you're going to take your chuck key and tighten the holes on the chuck. Loosen our table so we have freedom of movement. Align our drill bit with what we are drilling. At this point, you will lock in your table at both axes. And then we're going to set up our depth. Our depth measurement for drilling the blind hole is going to be between the stop block and the stop nuts. Lock your stop nuts in place. Now it's ready.